Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your SIM card is not from Verizon Wireless on LG Velvet. So here's a fix for your carrier lock and eSIM. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button. Tap on restart. Wait for the phone to turn back on and check if the message disappears. Fix 2. Reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your LG Velvet. Remove the SIM card tray using the SIM eject tool. Take out the SIM card and check for dust or damage. Reinsert the SIM card correctly and insert the tray back into the phone. Turn the phone on. Fix 3. Check if the phone is unlocked. If you are using a SIM from another carrier, make sure the LG Velvet is carrier unlocked. If the phone is still locked to Verizon, contact Verizon customer support to confirm it's unlocked. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Open settings, tap on system, go to restart and reset. Select network settings, reset, confirm the reset and restart your phone. Fix 5. Update the phone and software. Open settings, go to system and then go to update center. Tap software update. Install any available updates. Restart the phone after the update. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.